Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how can you remove black mold from bathroom shower. I will use bleach and paper towel. Let's get started. First of all, I highly recommend to use plastic gloves to protect yourself. And take the paper towel and put over the bulk mold. If it is on horizontal surface, use wet towels for sticking the surface. Spray some bleach over the surface. Wait for at least 4 hours. After 4 hours you can clean and you will see the black molds has removed. Thanks for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel.